local look with the Portugal look.
50 reals.
I enjoy it so far. I just got it actually.
Fans all enjoying. Fans already we bring that the same traditional style things to you.
For the World Cup, there is a lots of fans coming, and they are asking people where we can find the ghitra and the thobe, and design it with them own flag. This is the dress, we call it thobe. Thobe, usually it's a white color. Our traditional clothes keep you covered and protect you from the sun. This is a white ghitra. In Qatar, it's a popular. It's the icon for La'ib for a World Cup in Qatar. We have طاقية or قحفية here. One of the stadiums called Al-Thumama. The design of it is coming from the طاقية.
Women in Qatar traditionally they love wearing abayas and different designs, so we still keep the traditions. But in the last 5-6 years, we start adding more colors, lots of colors design like embroidery. Right now, I'm wearing something that looks like modern, so we mix modern with the tradition just to keep out the vibes.
Usually the best is the last part that you will put it on your top, on the top of the thobe. It will start from $500 and it reach to almost 7,000 US dollar. And as you see here, we love our best and we are proud about it.